Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a bird that you might mistaken as a duck. The common moorhen. The common moorhen, also known as the waterhen or swamp chicken, is a bird species in the rail family. Distinctive dark waterbird that resembles a cross between a duck and a chicken. Common moorhen feet have no webbing. It is distributed across many parts of the Old World, meaning Africa and Asia. Adults have a bright red bill with a yellow tip, while immatures have a duller bill and legs. Note big white oval patches under the tail and white streaks along the flanks. The common moorhen lives around well-vegetated marshes, ponds, canals, and other wetlands. Swims with jerky motion and walks with stealthy gait. The tail, often slightly cocked, does not usually dive. Their calls are like locally named Podu Galinuwa. I have seen the common moorhen in Valley Park, Nawala, but the picture showing here is of the Beara Lake in the middle of Colombo. We were surprised to find out that there are many birds in the island and floating flower beds of the Beara Lake, including painted storks and grey herons. Any person can see up to 10 to 20 different birds within Beara Lake in any given day, which is situated right in the middle of the city.